Poisson's and Laplace equation. Okay. So according to Poisson's equation, del square V is equal to minus rho V upon epsilon. Okay. So this is Poisson's equation. So this is relationship between potential V and this is rho V. So if V is given, you can find directly rho V. Okay. And then second equation is Laplace equation. Okay, that is del square V is equal to 0. Okay, so yesterday we had discussed this two equation, Poisson's equation, del square V is equal to minus rho V upon epsilon, and Laplace equation is del square V is equal to 0. Okay, so now in this question, conducting cylinders at rho is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Okay, so there is a cylinder whose radius is, so this radius is rho is equal to 1.6 meter. Okay, and held at a potential of 80 volts. Okay, so potential of this cylinder is 80 volts. And another cylinder is there, rho is equal to 5 meter. So another cylinder is there, rho is equal to 5 meter. Okay, so its radius is rho is equal to 5 meter, and it is held at a potential minus 40 volts. Okay, so potential of this cylinder is minus 40 volts. Okay,
सर कल का लास्ट क्वेश्चन अधूरा रह गया था।
आपको बताऊंगा मैं, पहले इसको कंप्लीट।
ओके सर।
तो ये क्वेश्चन है, दो सिलेंडर है जिसका रेडियस है 1.6 मीटर, और दूसरा सिलेंडर का रेडियस है 5 पॉइंट रो इज इक्वल टू 5 मीटर. ओके, एंड पोटेंशियल ऑफ दिस इनर सिलेंडर इज 80 volt and potential of this outer cylinder is minus 40 volts. Okay, and you have to find the potential and electric field intensity at rho is equal to 2. Okay, so we have to find potential of a cylinder which has radius rho is equal to 2. Okay. So yesterday I have told that if you want to find the potential, if two different cylinder is given, okay, with different radius, and you can find the third potential. Okay, so there are two cylinders, and we have to find the potential at rho is equal to 2 meter. Okay, for this cylinder. So how will we solve this? So we will apply this Laplace equation. So this is the application of Laplace equation. So whenever this type of question is given, so we always apply Laplace equation. Okay. So according to Laplace equation, del square V is equal to 0. what is given? Rho is equal to 1.6 meter and potential is equal to 80. Rho is equal to 5 meter, potential is equal to minus 40. And when rho is equal to 2 meter, you have to find the potential. Okay, so this is given question. At rho is equal to 1.5 meter, voltage difference is 20 volt and 80 volt, sorry. And at rho is equal to 5 meter, potential difference is minus 40 volt. You have to find the value of potential at rho is equal to 2 meter. Okay. So according to Laplace equation, we have del square V is equal to 0. Okay. So this whole system is cylindrical system. Okay. So we will apply del square V for cylindrical system. So that is 1 upon rho del by del rho del V by del. Okay. So here only rho is varying. Pi and theta are constant. Okay. So we will consider only this term only. Okay. So we'll neglect the like it will be 1 upon rho del V square by del phi square plus del square V by del Z square. Okay. So we neglect these two terms because it is varying with respect to rho only. Radius is changing. Okay. And theta and phi Z are the height of this cylinder is constant and pi is constant. Okay. So we will neglect rest two terms. Okay. So this will be neglected or somehow this will be equal to 0. Okay. So and this is equal to 0 according to Laplace equation. Okay. Now 1 upon rho del by del rho del V by del rho. So this is the formula of del square V for cylindrical coordinate is equal to 0. So you can write del by del rho del V by del rho is equal to 0. So this will be multiplied by 0. So now integrate both the sides. So you will get rho del V by del rho is equal to, this is integration. So you will get a constant. Okay. So integrating this equation, we will get a constant. Okay. So if you integrate this, so this will be 0 rho. Okay. So when integrate, so this will be 0 plus a constant a. Okay. So del V by del rho will be equal to a upon rho. Okay. So this can be written as V is equal to integration a by rho del rho. Okay. You can write like this. What we have, V is equal to a upon rho del rho. Okay. So integration of rho is natural log rho plus a constant, integral constant plus b. So potential V is equal to a natural log rho plus b. So we have derived this equation of potential when rho is varying. Okay. So what we have done? We have done simply del square V is equal to 0 by Laplace equation. So del square V is equal to 0. Substitute the value of del square V and we have derived equation in terms of rho. So potential V is equal to a natural log rho plus b when rho is varying. Okay. So rho is equal to 1.6. So potential is equal to 80 volts. This equation will become, when you substitute rho is equal to 1.6, this is equal to 80 plus A natural log 1.6 plus B. Okay. And when rho is equal to 5, so V is equal to minus 40 volts. So this will be minus 40 is equal to A natural log 5 plus B. So we have two equation and two unknowns. So you can find the value of A and B. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay. So solve equation 1 and 2. So you will get A and B and then substitute in the general equation. So you will get equation of V in terms of rho. Okay. Solve this, find the value of A and B. Anyone? So A is 100 minus 105.315 and B is minus 355.497. Okay. So substitute the value of A, B in this equation. So you will get V is equal to minus 105.135 natural log rho minus 355.497. Okay, so this is a general equation of potential when rho is equal to 1.6 and potential is 80 and rho is equal to 5, V is equal to minus 40. So for this condition, so value of V is equal to this much. So you can find the value of V at any value of rho. So we have calculated a general equation in terms of this rho. So you can find that rho is equal to 1, 2, 3, whatever. Okay. So, but in this question, we have to find the value of P at rho is equal to 2. So substitute rho is equal to 2. So potential V will be equal to minus 100.315. This will be natural log 2 minus 355.497. Okay. On calculating this, you will get minus 56, sorry, plus 56.498 volts. Okay. 56.478 volts. 98 volts. Okay. So just what we have to do, two values of rho is given, two values of potential is given. Okay, and we have to find rho at rho is equal to 2. Okay, so by Laplace equation del square V is equal to 0. So we have substituted the value of del square, formula of del square, and we got this value of V. V is equal to A natural log rho. Okay, and second part is we have to find electric field intensity E. Okay, so we know that vector E is equal to minus gradient of V. Okay, so this is equal to gradient of V is del V by del rho A rho. So V is so this is V. So this will be minus del by del rho. Or we can write A natural log rho plus V. Okay. So differentiation, partial differentiation of log natural log rho. So this will be A minus A by rho, and differentiation of B is constant. So this will be 0. So E will be equal to minus A by rho. Is A. Okay, so E is equal to minus A rho minus A rho by rho. So A is minus 105.315 upon rho A rho, and you have to find E at rho is equal to 2. So vector E is equal to minus 100.135 divided by 2. This is equal to 52.65 volts per meter. Okay. So in this way, you have to find the value of E. So E is equal to minus gradient of V. Gradient of V is del V by del rho. We are not including phi and z because it is depending on rho only. Rest of the term will be 0. Okay, so substitute the value of V. So differentiation of natural log rho is 1 upon rho. Differentiation of B is 0. Okay, so we'll get E is equal to minus A by rho, A rho. Okay, so substitute the value of A and then rho, you will get value of E. Okay, so this is the application of Laplace. If two potentials are given at different radius, so you can find the value of potential at any radius. Okay, so now we'll solve similar problem for different coordinates. So this is for rho. So whenever rho is varying, you so potential V is equal to A natural log rho plus B. So we have derived the general equation of potential when radius of the cylinder is varying. Okay. Now second question, find the value find V at 1, 2, 3. Okay. For the fields of first, two concentric spheres. So here V is equal to 50 volts at R is equal to 3 meter and V is equal to 20 volts at R is equal to 5 meter. Okay. So again, you have to find the value of V at 1, 2, 3 for the field of two concentric spheres. Okay. So there are two spheres with radius r is equal to 3 meter and r is equal to 5 meter, and they held at different potential, 50 volts and 20 volts respectively. Okay. Second, so here radius of this r is varying. Okay. Second, two radial planes, two conducting radial planes, two radial planes. V is equal to 50 volt, phi is equal to 30. V is equal to 20 volts, phi is equal to, sorry, this is 10. Okay. So here phi is changing. For phi is equal to 10 degree, potential is 20 volt. For phi is equal to 30 volt, potential is 20 volts. Second, third one is two coaxial modes. Okay. When V is equal to 50 volts, theta is equal to 30, and V is equal to 20 volts when theta is equal to 50. Okay. So here two concentric spheres is here. Here two radial planes are there, and two coaxial cones are there. Okay. So at different radius, different angle, the potential is 50 volt and 20 volt respectively. Okay. So you have to find the potential at 1, 2, 3. So at this point, you have to find the potential for this concentric sphere, for this radial planes, and for this coaxial cable. Cones. Okay. So in the exam, only one part will be asked. Okay. So you have to derive a equation in terms of r or potential, in terms of phi, and in terms of theta, like this. Okay. So we will do first part. Okay. So here, two concentric spheres are there. Okay, like this. So this is r is equal to 3 meter, and this is r is equal to 5 meter. Okay, so this inner sphere is held with potential 50 volts, and outer sphere is held with 20 volts. Okay, and you have to find V at 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this V, this coordinate, let's suppose this as point P. So point P is 1, 2, 3. But this particular question is for concentric sphere. So we have to convert this 1, 2, 3 into spherical coordinates. Okay. So R is equal to under root x square, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So this will be equal to 1 plus 4 plus 9, that is root 40. Okay. So what is root 14? Anyone? What is the value of root 14?
Sir, 3.741.
3.741. Okay. So we have to find at r is equal to 3.741. So this is r is equal to 3. This is r is equal to 5. So this will lie somewhere here. Okay. So this is r is equal to 3.741. Okay. So how to solve this question? Okay. So again, we have to go with Laplace equation. Okay. So again, we have to find equation in terms of R. Okay. So equation of potential in terms of R, and then we will substitute the value of R is equal to 3.741. Okay. So according to Laplace, so del square V is equal to 0. Okay. And this particular question belongs to spherical coordinates. So we will write. So del square V is 1 upon R square del by del R square del V by del R is equal to 0. Okay. So we are not considering theta and phi. Okay. So coordinates are theta phi, r theta phi. So here only R is variable. R is extending from 3 to 5. Okay. So we consider this theta and phi as constant. So no need to write the terms of theta and phi. So we neglect that term. So this will be 1 upon R square del by del R square del V by del R is equal to 0. Okay. So again we will derive expression of V in terms of R. So this R square will be equal to 0. So we remain with del by del R square del V by del R is equal to 0. Integrating both the side. Okay. So you will get R square del V by del R. Integration of 0 will be 0 plus our constant A, integral constant A. Okay. So this will be equal to del V by del R, A by R square, or you can write V is equal to, so this will become integrating both the side. So A upon R square del R. Okay. So integration of 1 upon R is equal to V is equal to minus A by R plus our integral constant. Okay. So this is the value of potential when R is varying. Okay. So V is equal to minus A upon R plus B. And for cylindrical coordinate system, when rho is varying, it is V is equal to A natural log rho plus B. So for different coordinate, it will be different. Okay. So what we have done, we had applied Laplace equation, that is del square V is equal to 0. Okay. Del square V is equal to 0, and substituted the value of del square V for spherical coordinate, and we have solved this, and we got this relation V is equal to minus A by R plus B, and V is equal to 50 volts when R is equal to 3 meter, and V is equal to 20 volts when R is equal to 5 meter. So substitute this equation in general equation. So we will get two equation and two unknowns. So this will be 50 is equal to minus A by R. So this will be A by 3 plus B. Okay. And second equation is 20 is equal to minus A by 5 plus B. So this is equation number 1, and this is equation number 2. Okay. So on solving equation 1 and 2, we get A is equal to minus 2 to 5, and B is equal to minus 20. So substitute in this equation. So V will be equal to, this is minus will become 225 upon R minus 25. So this is the general equation of V when V is equal to 50 volts and R is equal to 3 meter, and V is equal to 20 volts and R is equal to 5 meter. Okay, so V will be equal to 225 upon R minus 25. So you can find the value of potential at any value of R. Okay, so where we have to find? We have to find at R is equal to root 14, that is equal to 3.741. Okay, like this. So this will be V is equal to 225 divided by 3.714. Substitute the value of R minus 25. So you will get, on solving this, 35.134. Okay, so potential at this point, V is equal to 35.134. Okay, so you have to remember this equation. V is equal to minus A upon R plus B. So two potential are given and two values of corresponding radius is given. Okay, so substitute V is equal to 50 and R is equal to 3. So you will get this equation. Substitute V is equal to 20 and R is equal to 5. You will get this equation. On solving this, we will find the value of A and B, and again substitute the value of A and B in the general equation. Okay, and then substitute the value of R. Okay, so requisite value of R, where you have to find the potential. So here we have to find at 1, 2, 3, and in Cartesian it is in Cartesian. So in spherical it will be 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Okay, so this will be under root 14, and under root 14 is 3.174. So the potential at R is equal to 3.17 is 35. So up till now, what we got. So when rho is varying and V is equal to minus A upon R plus B, both are derived from Laplace equation. So this is the application, main application of Laplace equation. Okay. So any doubt?
No, sir.
Moving towards third. The third is two radial planes. Okay. So V is equal to 50 volts at pi is equal to 10 degrees, and V is equal to 20 volts at pi is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so there are two radial planes like this. So one plane is this, and second plane is this. So this make an angle. Okay, so with x-axis, this is 30 degree and this is 50 degree, like this. Okay, so here phi is changing. So so as potential varies with respect to phi. Okay, so here as potential V varies with respect to phi, so del by del rho is equal to del V by del phi is equal to 0. ये 0 हो जाएगा क्योंकि उसके रिस्पेक्ट में ये यहाँ पर बस ये 10 डिग्रीज एंड 30 डिग्रीज ये है. ओके, So again, by using Laplace equation, del square V is equal to 0. So it is for phi. So del square V by del phi square is equal to 0, or it can be written as del phi del V by del phi is equal to 0. Okay. So on integrating both the side, del V by del phi is equal to a integral constant A. Okay. So del V by del phi is equal to A, or V is equal to integration A d phi. So this will be V is equal to A phi plus B. Okay. So this is the value of V when phi is varying. V is equal to A phi plus B. And mind it, this phi is in radians. यहाँ पर आपको डिग्री में नहीं रखना है, फाई में रखना है, सॉरी रेडियंस में रखना है. ठीक है, तो इसको आप हमेशा याद रखना. इट विल बी इन रेडियंस. ओके, so do not substitute the value of in degrees. Okay, phi. So here phi is varying. Okay, so phi is varying. So del v by del rho and del v by del z is 0. So they are constant. So we are applying this Laplace equation. So Laplace equation. So according to Laplace equation, del square v is equal to 0. So when phi is varying, so del square v by del phi square, substituting the value of del square v is equal to 0. Okay. Integrating both the side, so this will be del v by del phi plus our integral constant A. Then del v by del phi is equal to A. So again integrating, v is equal to A d phi. So this will be equal to v is equal to A phi plus B. A general equation in terms of phi. Okay. So when phi is when. So now in the question it is given the value of V is equal to 50 volts when phi is equal to 10 degrees, and V is equal to 20 volts when phi is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so V is equal to, sorry, so this will be 50 is equal to A, pi is 10 degree. Okay, so this is 10 and you have to convert into radians. So multiply 8 by pi upon 180. Degree में नहीं रखना है आपको. ठीक है, so always convert this into radians. So degree is converted to radians by multiplying this factor phi upon 180 plus b. And again, when v is equal to 20, a into this is 30 degree, 30 into 5 upon 180 plus b. Okay. So again, two equation and two unknowns. So on solving this, value of a is minus 85.944 and value of b is equal to 65. So now substitute the values of a and b in this equation. So v is equal to minus 85.944 plus 65. So this is the value of potential v. Okay. So v is equal to minus 85.944 plus 65. And you have to find the potential v at point P 1, 2, 3. So again, it is in Cartesian coordinate, and you have to find phi. So phi is equal to tan inverse y by x. Okay, so this will be tan inverse y is 2 by 1. In this way, you can find the value of phi. Okay, so phi is equal to How much? 5. Tan inverse 2 is? Anyone? V is equal to minus 85.944 into 5.
$63.434.
This is 63.434. Okay, so this will be 5. This will be 63.434. And remember, it is in degree, so you have to convert it into radians, that is 5 upon 180 degree plus 65. Okay. Calculate this. So last is V is equal to 50 at theta is equal to 30 degree and V is equal to 20 at theta is equal to 50 degrees. Okay, so two conical surfaces are given. Anyone calculate, please? Don't have this answer.
Sir, 160.103.
And so here we are getting 160.103 volts. Okay, so next is when theta is varying. Okay, so when this is theta degree and 30 degree and this is 50 degree. Okay, so potential at inner cone is 50 volts and outer cone is 20 volts. Okay, so again, so theta is varying. Okay, so del V by del R is equal to del V by del phi. So here radius and pi is constant. So this will be equal to 0. Okay. So again we will apply Laplace equation. So by Laplace equation, del square V is equal to 0. Okay. And then 1 upon R square sine theta del by del theta sine theta del V by del theta is equal to 0. So we are considering only this theta term. Okay. So as dv by del V by del R is equal to 0, del V by del phi 0. So only consider the value of theta only. Okay. So here this will be equal to 0. So del by del theta sine theta del V by del theta is equal to 0. Integrate both the sides. So it will be sine theta del V by del theta is equal to A, our integral constant A. Okay. So del V by del theta is equal to A upon sine theta. Integrating both the sides, V is equal to A by sine theta d theta. Okay. So anyone know integration of 1 upon sine theta or cosec theta? So this will be integration of cosec theta d theta. Anyone knows the integration of cosec theta d theta? So this will be equal to A natural log tan theta by 2, okay, plus B. So integration of cosec theta d theta is natural log tan theta by 2 plus b. So this is the general equation. Okay. So let me summarize what we have studied till now. So V is equal to minus A upon R plus B when R is varying. V is equal to A natural log rho plus B when rho is varying. V is equal to A phi plus B when phi is ready, and this will be in radians. Okay, and V is equal to A natural log tan theta by 2 plus B when theta is. So this is application of Laplace equation. Okay, so you can find the value of potential at any value of r, rho, phi, and theta. Okay. So here V is equal to 50 volts, and theta is equal to 30 degree, and V is equal to 20 volts, and theta is equal to 50 degrees. Okay. So ये हो जाएगा 50 is equal to A is A natural log tan theta is 30 by 2 plus B, and 20 is equal to A natural log tan 50 degree by 2 plus B. Okay. So यहाँ से आपको मिल जाएगा AB की वैल्यू so A is minus 54.47 and B is minus 21.309. So we will get B is equal to A is minus 54.147 natural log theta tan theta by 2 plus minus 21.09. This is the general equation. Okay. So where you have to find the value of B. So we have to find B at point 1, 2, 3. Okay. So theta is equal to Z upon R cos inverse Z upon R. So this is cos inverse Z is 3 and R is root 14. So this is coming to theta is equal to 36.69. Okay, so we have to find potential at 1, 2, 3 and theta is equal to cos inverse Z upon R. This is Z और R कितना मिला था अंडर रूट 14. तो ये मिल गया आपको इतना. ठीक है, वहां सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो यहाँ पर. So V is equal to minus 54.147 natural log tan theta is 36.698 divided by 2 minus 21. In this way we get 38.449 volts. Yes, answer. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से ये क्वेश्चंस में. ठीक है,
कौन